Here I have Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me show you how to program the Xcover key to get the most out of it. Alright, so let's start by opening the list of all apps. Choose here settings. Here let's choose the advanced features and choose Xcover button. As you can see, this is the Xcover button. Here we've got the location of this button, it's right here. So you can choose apps to open when you press and hold the Xcover button. Let me, for example, choose here press, and let me enable this feature. So if you press the Xcover button, for example, you can open the calculator. But if you press and hold, you can open the voice recorder. This is like the default choice, but you can change it, for example, to camera. Okay, let me test it. So now when you press the Xcover button, calculator pops up. If you press and hold Xcover button, you will open the camera. You can also use while screen lock is locked. Let me enable it. So now when you lock your screen, you can press Xcover button, press and hold, and you open the camera. Okay. So when your screen lock is off, you can use this press and hold function to open the camera. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.